want to see? Yeah. We've just made it to our hotel here in Mysore. The property is pretty good. It's nice. They've got a 24-hour gym and the lobby is pretty decent. If you look around me, lobby is pretty nice. I'm just waiting to check out my room. I'm so excited because I've heard a lot about this hotel and I'm really excited to check out the room and the pool. It's got a rooftop pool apparently. So I hope I can give you a good tour of the hotel if we have time. Little update on my health. Slightly better, not that good, but ooh, this is a nice room. Wow, this is beautiful. What do you think, Vishal? You want to see? Yes. Oh, this is a nice room. See the view. Wow. Oh, ho, beautiful. So now we are headed to a temple. Oh shit. Okay, I'm on the wrong floor. So like I said, now we are headed to a temple. Don't really know what the name is, but when I reach there, I'll give it to you. I'll give you guys the update. Right. So we've just made it to this temple. To get to this temple, you need to go on a hill. So it's a long ghat which takes you up. That's the temple right behind me. And I'm busy shooting a hyperlapse and a time lapse. I'm not really going to be entering this temple because I think there's much more beauty outside. So let's see. You know, there's something known as if it's in your luck, you're lucky. Apparently, not more than 4 hours ago, there were flash floods in Kushal Nagar where we were trying to get out from. I'm going to play this video which I got on WhatsApp. Just have a look at this video. And all roads coming out of Kurg, Kushal Nagar and all these areas are all closed. We got out just in time. In the nick of time we got out. I mean,
say thanks to Vishal.
Yeah, thanks to Vishal. Like I was saying, it's all about, you know, luck. I'm really thankful to God that I got out of it, and I'm in much dry weather right now. Okay, anyway, so we're just doing a little bit of shopping over here, and we're gonna go back to our hotel, have dinner, crash, and tomorrow is our last day over here in Karnataka. We're gonna do a little city tour, then head to the airport in Bangalore and fly back home. It is 9 o'clock in the night. 2 weeks ago I was in Kerala and the weather was pretty decent, and now I'm reading everywhere on the news that Kerala is practically flooded. It's in dire straits and a lot of calamities have happened. So it really breaks my heart that such bad things are happening to such a beautiful place, and I'm really lucky that I got out of that state just in the nick of time. Kerala is one of the most beautiful places I've visited in India. I haven't visited the north much yet. I know most of you all will say that's more beautiful. Nonetheless, for me, Kerala is like, it is God's own country, and to see that what's happening over there at this point of time really just breaks my heart. So I really hope and pray to God that everything goes well over there and people's lives are saved and the government can continue with their relief. But it's really sad.